Here are the congruent triangle rules, or the congruent triangle postulates. Congruent means identical. If two triangles are identical, then they're congruent. Or two sides are identical, they're congruent. Rule number one, or postulate number one, we have two congruent triangles that are identical. The reason we can say they're identical is that sides are all identical. So it's called side, 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 or SSS, and that stands for side, side, side. This side is the same as that side, and this side is the same as that side, and the third side is the same as the third side. So if all three sides are congruent, then we can say that the triangles are congruent. Rule number two, if we have something like this, notice that I've got two sides and the angles between the two sides are congruent. It's called side angle side. Side angle side. If this side is congruent to that side, and the angle is congruent to that angle, and the last side, this side is congruent to this side, and notice the angle is between them in both cases, then it's side angle side. Rule number three, notice here I have 61 degrees, 90 degrees, 61 degrees, 90 degrees. The sides between the two angles are also congruent. Then I can say that these triangles are congruent by angle side angle. This rule is called angle side angle. This is angle side angle. Here is our first angle, and then I have a side, and then I have a second angle. The sides between the two angles are congruent, and the two angles are also congruent. Then we have angle side angle. The proofs. We have to prove these things generally. If I label this triangle ABC, and I call this triangle DEF, then I could say, here's the proof. If side AB is congruent to side DE, and this is the symbol for congruent, so it's an equal sign with a little tiny wave on top of it. If side AB is congruent to side DE, and side BC is congruent to side EF, and side AC is congruent to side DF, then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by side, side, side. Similarly, if I name this triangle ABC and I'll name this triangle DEF, if side AB is congruent to side DE, AB is congruent to side DE, and angle ABC, A to B to C, is congruent to angle D to E to F, and side BC is congruent to side EF, then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SAS, by side angle side. Similarly down here, if we name this triangle ABC and that triangle DEF, our proof would be that if angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF and side BC is congruent to side EF, and angle ACB is congruent to angle DEF, A to C to B is congruent to D to F to E, they're both 90 degrees, then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA, by angle side angle. And that's it for congruent triangle rules. Have a good day.